When my mother died, I was faced with so many obstacles. I had no idea how to locate the deed to her house, the title to her car, along with other important legal and financial documents. Her answering machine kept flashing, but I couldn't pick up her phone messages because I didn't have the password. How would I get in touch with her friends at the senior center and distant relatives that only she kept in touch with? More importantly, I wanted to make sure that her burial arrangements were what she wanted, but I had no idea what her last wishes were. If only there had been an easy way for us to communicate so that I could have been more prepared.
How prepared are you? The answers to these questions will provide guidance in the care of the home, facilitation of the settlement of your estate, and reduce the time and effort your family spends searching for critical information during a stressful period. The Essential Organizer will help you be prepared. It provides a way for you to record important information that can be easily accessed by family members, friends, and advisors you designate. It also serves as a guide for those who will care for you, your family, and your home if you become disabled and when you die. You can choose 2 formats to document your important information: a beautifully designed hardcover book, which also includes a CD. You can enter your important information and the location of essential documents by hand onto the worksheets that are provided in the book. The information contained on the CD and in the book are identical. The CD provides a paperless way for you to enter information into your computer, which you can later save onto your hard drive or onto another CD to be distributed to family, friends, and advisors. The CD also makes it easy for you to record changes as they occur, and is compatible with both Macs and PCs. There are 4 sections contained in both the book and the CD: legal and financial, practical matters, present and future health, and family and friends. The first section, legal and financial information, contains several chapters, among them estate planning documents. In the estate planning documents chapter, you can record such information as the location of your will, durable power of attorney, and health care proxy. This chapter also contains a description of the most important estate planning documents. The second section is Practical Matters, which includes a chapter, Practical Details of My Everyday Life. This provides a place for you to list the names of your religious and spiritual affiliations, memberships and interests, pets, employment information, property in your home, and home service providers. The third section, Present and Future Health, provides family and friends with specific information about all aspects of your current health care. The information in this section can help ensure that your medical care and related activities will be maintained at the level you desire. The fourth section is Family and Friends. This chapter, My Immediate Family, is where you record basic information about your immediate family. It will help facilitate contacting members of your family who will want to know if you become seriously ill or pass away. And it may also be useful when it's time to settle your estate.
The Essential Organizer gives reassurance that you and your loved ones will be cared for in the manner you intend. It provides guidance for the care of your home, facilitates the settlement of your estate, and reduces the time and effort your family must spend searching for essential information during a stressful period. The Essential Organizer can enable important family conversations that will help to prevent unnecessary pain and sorrow among loved ones.
A few months ago, my son Charles suffered a severe injury which left him paralyzed on one side and unable to talk or write. This has been a difficult period for me, as I've had to pick up the pieces of his life, initially trying to sort out what accounts he had and where they were located, pay bills, sell one of his vehicles, apply for medical benefits, close out the house he was renting, store his possessions, all the while trying to maintain my sanity. Ever try to cancel a cell phone contract? And before I could do any of this, I had to find a way for my son to give me his power of attorney. This whole experience points out the necessity of having one's affairs organized and documented so that someone can take care of these matters should you become incapacitated or die. Why didn't I think to give my son a copy of the Essential Organizer? I dearly wish he had filled it out before his injury.
This book was written by William O. Lytle to help families prepare for particular crises in the home. It began when a volunteer at a Boston area hospice told Bill how she frequently witnessed the stress family members faced because they did not know the wishes of their loved ones, either for their personal care or for the handling of their home. These observations prompted Bill to develop a guide to help families be better prepared should loved ones become incapacitated and when they pass away. Bill has been helping people understand the need to document and communicate important aspects of their lives through presentations, intimate group discussions, and by meeting with individuals. This provides the opportunity for people to discuss their concerns and experiences in addressing these issues with family members. Bill is also forming an online community where people can discuss their experiences and provide support to one another.